We'll select the computer boot up. So we've got Microsoft Windows XP installed. It goes with this all Microsoft Windows operating systems. You can check on them all the same way via BIOS or system information, which we're going to go into now. Right, so we'll go to system information, which is in control panel, system. As you can see, I've installed a gig of RAM into this computer, so I've upgraded it just a little bit more than what we had on our motherboard to just under a gig, and there you have it. That's how you check through Windows and system properties how much RAM you have installed. So thank you, this is Mr. Badger reporting a RAM upgrade. Keep watching, thank you.